The best engine of any sabre ever made. Last year, Canada celebrated its 100th anniversary of powered flight, and in honor of that memorable achievement, Vintage Wings of Canada purchased and restored this original Canadian F-86 sabre jet. Today's Hawk 1 demonstration pilot is Major Mike Woodfield from Calgary, Alberta. Mike has flown the CF-18 Hornet for nearly 20 years and was a Canadian Hornet demonstration pilot in 1995. In the early 1950s, Canadair Limited of Montreal manufactured over 1,800 sabres, of which almost 1,200 were delivered to the RCAF to serve in Canada and Europe. At its peak, Canada operated 12 European sabre squadrons across 4 wings in Britain, France, and Germany, as well as 6 squadrons in Canada. The sabre's wings. These are not pilot controlled, but are extended automatically by aerodynamic forces anytime the aircraft is flying slowly or pulling G. The Hawk 1 Sabre is owned by Vintage Wings of Canada, a public charitable organization based in Gatineau, Quebec. It is supported by volunteers and funded through financial donations and by the in-kind support of generous benefactors. The Vintage Wings motto is commemorate, educate, inspire, and is dedicated to keeping Canada's aviation heritage alive through the restoration, preservation, and flight display of classic Canadian aircraft. This is the second season for Hawk 1, and it follows on the heels of the highly successful Canadian Centennial of Flight celebrations of 2009, where millions took in the sight of this incredible aircraft taking to the skies over Canada once again. This Sabre is the first jet-powered aircraft in the Vintage Wings collection of aviation masterpieces. Operating across Canada and internationally. Through its 5 operating subsidiaries, Discovery Air operates over 130 fixed-wing and rotary-wing aircraft, as well as logistics and remote operations management services. Discovery Air is the prime supplier of airborne training services to the Canadian Forces and of airborne fire management services to the Ontario government. They have the second largest commercial helicopter operation in Canada and have a significant presence in Canada's North and Arctic regions with 9 operating locations north of 60 degrees latitude. Discovery Air is pleased to partner with Vintage Wings and Hawk 1 in bringing back the sabre to Canadians across the country. Pipeline Fund for their continuing financial support.